Hello, how you doing?
Welcome to Massage Envy Booth.
Oh Lord. Yeah,
Would you
I'm
like
just.
to win this chair?
I would.
We're
I
giving
would.
it away for free. Do you want me
Really?
to hold your GoPro?
Wait a minute. I don't know if am I allowed to?
Are you a therapist?
Yes.
Then yes, and then you are allowed to.
Okay.
Here, I'll switch you. I'll hold
Sure.
the stick.
I appreciate it.
You take
I can
that.
I can document it for
Do you
my.
want to sit here?
No, go ahead. I don't want to. No.
Seriously.
No, you
This is
gotta
gonna take
check
me a
it
while.
out.
Yes.
No, you
Thank
can
you so
sit.
much.
My pleasure. I hope to see you. All right.
Man, I
Have
missed
a.
somebody's time. I'm sorry.
No. We're all sharing it. Look, you can document it. Are we filming right now?
Don't take shoes.
You can if you'd like. Because it has feet and everything. Do you want here? I'll take your
I
bag.
have man feet. It might make a stink.
Well, then you don't have to if you don't want to. Here, let's get you set up with it. I'm gonna hit a button, and then you can hang out and fill that out.
Okay.
There we go. And then when you're ready. All right.
What is this?
I am holding his GoPro.
It
Nice.
gets a 360.
I like
view
that. That's
of
awesome.
everything. So my massage students, they couldn't come today because they have exams today.
So you
Oh.
get to kind of
Then
look
excellent.
good.
Is this? They can see us now. Okay. You do the massage chair. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Massage Envy booth. We are here with. I guess you're the instructor. Benjamin. We're here with Benjamin, and he's entering to win our massage chair. Now, this massage chair we actually have at Massage Envy, but it's not for the clients. It's for our therapists, and it's located in our break rooms. So we're giving it away. Wish you guys could be here to win it. But yeah, so I'm just going to take them through the booth. Is that okay?
Please do.
All right, I'm just going to take you guys while Benjamin is filling that out. We are going to go through the Massage MB booth. So we have here, we have a stop and look, as you can see, and they're doing pictures. So when you do the stop and look, you get a nice little picture like this. And then if we go into the booth, it's a little crowded in there, but you can see we've got a lot of free items. There are headphones, they're doing hand massages, they have cream in there, so it's very exciting. So come out and check out a Massage Envy. Great place to work. I am the continuing education instructor for Virginia for Massage Envy. I'm their technical trainer, so I do in-person training for free for our therapists, and they get their CEUs. So if you'd like to have free CEUs, good place to be. So I'm going to hand you back to Benjamin because it looks like he's done. All right, there you go. Thank you so much for letting me talk to everyone.
No, I really appreciate it. You have no idea.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
It helps my students out, so now I know where to send them, and you said your information there so that. Oh wait, did you send your contact information so they'll know?
I did not know.
Or if you
They
can, I
can
don't
just
know.
go to any Massage Envy because I actually work for corporate Massage Envy. So there's
Okay.
there's a lot of opportunities in the company, but I just do their in-person continuing education instruction. So not
Understand.
only do we offer 100% of your continuing ed that's required to keep your license, we do
Very
that
important.
online on Massage Envy University, but then we also have in-person courses. And right now the course that I am teaching is called Total Body Stretch.
Oh, nice.
And it's an assisted stretching routine. It's a new offering at Massage Envy. Very low impact for the therapist. So if you're doing, say you have a Swedish and then you have a deep tissue, if you have a total body stretch, kind of a break for the therapist. It's great. It's this whole assisted stretching where you help your client go through a stretching routine. It's been very popular, but it's kind of gives your hands and wrists, a break.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can go in our break room, you can chill out on this.
Yes.
It's very important, Massage Envy, that you take your breaks, and that should
Yes,
be
it is.
important wherever you work, that you're not just being like worked to death. Because, your employers need to value you. We are skilled, trained, and it's not easy to find good therapists. So.
It's not. It's very hard. These days it's very hard.
It is very hard
very
to
hard.
find good therapists. So we try to make sure to retain our therapists by treating them really well and making sure there are a lot of perks. Wonderful place to start, and then kind of sky's the limit. We have some people here from our corporate office in Scottsdale, Arizona today.
Very nice.
We have our senior trainer is here. I think one of our directors of marketing or something, and we have a lot of franchisees here today, so you can meet people in all levels of our corporation, which is great because everybody has a different experience, you know.
Okay. And you guys are going to be here tomorrow as well?
Yes, and I will be here
Yeah,
tomorrow.
because most of my students, they'll probably be here tomorrow. So
Wonderful.
they just couldn't do it today, so like, you know, because they got to pass their
Now, what do you teach?
sports massage, prenatal, Swedish. Oh my God, what else do we have? Well, we have cupping alternative therapies. is what
So,
we
are you
call
guys
it.
doing continuing it, or are you doing this
No,
600-hour course?
600 hours. Right.
Okay, I used to teach that.
Really?
Yeah, at the American Institute of Massage. So I used to instruct there in Richmond.
Oh, Richmond. Okay.
Yeah.
What's the? There's a new school. Okay, I'm thinking
Yeah,
of that.
it's
There's
the
a.
Lotus School now. They rebranded to the Lotus School of Integrated
Okay.
Studies because they added like aesthetics, they added
Yeah,
yoga, you know.
And that's a lot of schools are doing that right. They're
I
offering
taught
other
for them
stuff.
like back in the day when it was just massage.
Gotcha,
But
gotcha.
now I'm a nationally certified continuing education instructor.
And that's awesome.
so-
Yeah, because we need CEUs. CEUs, yeah.
Yeah.
Keeps your license.
Yeah.
Wow.